Seems like everybody likes to do clickbait titles on YouTube. Why your mixes suck. Why you suck at guitar. Why your gear isn't good enough. I avoid clickbait titles, except I decided to make one. Just for the hell of it. I wrote a 3-page script unpacking it, and I don't know. Nobody really cares what I have to say anyway. And maybe some things are just best left in the suitcase. This is a song I wrote about my first wife. I found her in Korea, and I married her here in 1998. And then I took her to New York City. And she left me for another guy. That was in 2003. You know, where to begin? I have a couple of expensive guitars. I've got one really good condenser microphone. Expensive. Not top of the line, but respectable. I tracked this $50 student beater guitar through this no-name Korean dynamic microphone, probably designed for PA systems, that I paid no more than $10 for. I used that to track this beater guitar. And what else? Oh, well, I used a Samson Q-Tom drum mic to record the vocal. It's right here. And I used all free DSP tools, all free plugins. Primarily Air Windows. You know, it seems like everybody's chasing wind. Everybody's bitching about AI slop. AI slop is a new term, you know. And people complain about the AI slop, but then they covet all the expensive gear, legacy gear, outboard gear, expensive DSP tools, boutique stuff, all the stuff that went into making all the music, commercially released music, that was used to train the AI to make the slop. And everything is starting to run together and sound the same to me. It's like, you know, these transhumanists talk about the singularity. It's like that. It's like this Ouroboros, this snake eating its tail. I'm tired of it. You know, I want to make my own sound. I also love the old sound. I love the sound of 70s vinyl. I've been trying to achieve an approximation of that for quite a while now. And I've finally gotten close, but I'm going beyond it, I think. I'm making a sound of my own. I just gave you the nutshell of the script. It was long and tedious. But this video is titled, "You Need a Great Mic to Create AI Slop." What a stunt. Yeah, well, I'm going to pause this video, make sure everything is in working order. I'm going to play this song. And that's it. All right, got the bona fides up. Away we go.
The words I left with drumming in the rain, your parting glance a leaf buffeted in the wind. Dead promise shines like coal down the sewer main. The clock stopped ticking sometime round 10:30. His half-cocked laugh left nothing to explain. The way it trailed off to a distant grin. Halfway across the world your father saws the antlers off an elk with his bare hands. His heart forged in the fires of ancient laws that I've just now begun to comprehend. Your neck an ivory tower, your breasts twin fawns of a gazelle, your hands like pure white flowers. Crossed with our two paths, diverged by time and nature of intent. Our ship was lost and in the aftermath I'm left to wonder what it might have meant. The starlight shining through the weathered